Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Start with a large mixing bowl. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to mix half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. You are going to mix until thoroughly combined. Then, once that's all mixed up, you're going to put half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix that all together. Next, you're going to add 1 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix everything together. Then add your 1 large egg. Now we're going to mix that together. Once you have made your dough ball, it's time to add your 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now it's time to make your little dough balls. You can make them whatever size you want. Then you're going to take your dough balls and put them on a baking sheet. Now we put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. After the 7 to 10 minutes, they should look golden brown, but don't forget to let them rest for at least 10 minutes. See, doesn't that look delicious?
Yummy.